Yo, Longhairs. You've heard us talk about our hair serum, how great it is, and how it comes in these mini aluminum rockets. But what is hair serum actually, and how do you use it? I'm Garvinski, and I'm amped to be here because we'll be diving into hair serum, why you might need it, get down with the tech on what it does, and how to use it. Let's get down with the basics. But first, you don't need to be a hair prodigy, but there's a few things every guy with long hair needs to know. Get the fundamentals with quick tips, a foundation of basic tips and hair knowledge from the Longhairs that you and your mane shouldn't go without any longer. Access quick tips at the description in the link below. Hair serum is typically a silicone-based hair product designed to coat the surface of your hair, often blended with active ingredients, adding additional benefits. These might include natural essential oils, vitamins, or all of them. Here's what it does and why that's great. It's designed to treat, protect, and restore all that glory to your flow. In other words, it looks great, feels great, and smells great. While traditionally used as a hair styling product, we think of hair serum more as a hair care maintenance product. With no discriminations, straight, curvy, and wavy hair can all benefit.
Really?
For treatment, its primary function is to smooth down the hair cuticles, the outermost layer of your hair. This smooths the hair, reducing frizz while adding a noticeable shine. It also provides that slip that allows your comb to glide through the knots and tangles. The next function is to provide a protective layer to each shaft, making your hair less susceptible to damage, breakage, and split ends, providing a natural UV filter, kind of like sunscreen for your hair. You can think of that damage like Shang Tsung from Mortal Kombat. And finally, restoration. Argan oil hydrates and moisturizes dry and dehydrated hair, reviving the shine and luster back to your hair, renewing strength and elasticity. Hair serum is especially great if you have dry, damaged, or tangled hair, if you're out in the elements all the time, or if your hair just takes a good beating. Personally, I'm always out in the sun, either doing calisthenics, running, or biking. Having that extra boost of hydration is just what I need. For the longest time, I didn't think I needed this stuff. I kept my routine simple: brush, wash, and go. It wasn't until I got my hands on this bottle of liquid luxury that I started to implement it in my hair maintenance routine. For this tutorial, I'm gonna use our high-performance argan oil hair serum. Now with this precious liquid, I use it sparingly, but consistently. It's like wine. You don't wanna drink the whole bottle in one sitting. You have the option to use serum on dry or wet hair. Generally, you want to use this stuff with damp hair because the pores are already open, which makes it easier and faster for the serum to absorb into your hair. I like to get it going right after a good hair wash so the serum can work and protect my hair while on the road. All right, let's get a few drops into our fingertips. I literally use 1 to 2 drops since I use the brush spreading technique to get it through my hair. Then we'll spread the serum to both sides and work with it in our hair by finger combing it into the tips. All good if it comes out uneven, because we'll be spreading it with a brush. Next, you want to take a comb or a brush and then brush the tips out. Then we can move back up to the midsection and get down with the rest of the hair. If you want, you can even start from the scalp. I'll work the strands downwards to mix in the natural oils with the serum, getting a 50-50 feel. You just don't want to get too much serum into the scalp area. After getting the serum fully dialed, I like to whip my hair a bit to get it into motion, keeping my hair feeling light and even. Now that's how I use hair serum. Let's get El Moreno here for a demo. El Moreno straight out the shower with freshly washed hair, emphasizing importance to hair protection and moisture. He's got a good amount of serum to get going. We'll start with the finger combing technique. Pay attention to how he's going for full coverage, letting the hair naturally slide down his fingers. Great technique here. Switching to the other side. We got a solid start, we're ready for the next step. The brushing. It'll be going from the midsection to the tips of the hair. Notice the gliding action and how smooth the brush runs through the hair. We're not quite finished yet. He'll be running it again from the scalp downwards, covering all bases. It's looking pretty solid. Thanks, El Moreno. Classic demonstration from El Moreno there. Let's get one more look with El Narstavo. El Narstavo will be demonstrating with dry hair. He'll be selecting one serum from our 4 options, and he's going for the open air. He's got a good large amount, getting ready to finger comb his hair with the serum. He'll be positioning that hair to one side and apply the serum. He'll start with a double finger combing action. After getting the serum from the midsection to the tips of the hair, and he's going to pull everything back, and he looks like he's good to go. Thanks, El Narstavo. As you can see, not a whole lot of variation there, but useful tactics nonetheless from El Moreno and El Narstavo. And that's how you use hair serum. If you have different ways of using hair serum or want to let us know what your favorite is, feel free to drop it in the comments. It'll improve everybody's hair game. All right, takeaways for hair serum. It treats, protects, and restores. Does the Longhairs hair serum do that? You bet it does. Developed, tested, and used in-house, our high-performance argan oil hair serum is used by Longhairs of different hair types from all around the world. It's part of this complete line of apex-level hair care for guys with long hair, but preferred by women over the leading salon brand. The Longhairs hair serum is available at thelonghairs.us or just hit the link in the description. There you can also sign up for those quick tips I mentioned earlier, and you might get a 20% off coupon just for signing up. That about does it for me. I'm El Garvinski, and it's been a great set today. Until next time, keep letting it ride. See ya!